Anxiety is a fear of, I suppose, things to come. Dread of things to come. I first started getting anxiety and depression when I was about 16. When you're an anxious person, you feel out of place. You don't feel that base layer of confidence that you'd perceive most people to have. Most people mightn't have that, but that you perceive them to have. Got to the stage where I'd wake up in the morning and I'd be so panicky that turning the telly on would create panic in me. But also, conversely, having the telly off would elicit the same responses. So you're left in this kind of no man's land of like turning the telly on, turn the telly off. The curtain's folded at the corner of the room. That's absolutely freaking me out, or someone's talking outside, and it's just complete terror.
During the taidirí gohfuil imní níos mó duine fud an dóin na ailse na galar crí fiú ó hiú panic attacks during the taidirí go mbíonn panic attacks duine bhain is ahan cuiigir. Ní rud de ton na mí cant go minic sa tír seo ab churann teistear chuid mhór duine.
Every time I got really, really panicky, I'd have to like stick my finger in my throat, get the gawks, as they say, and just retch. That kind of cold feeling comes over you when you do that, so that was kind of relieving for me, and it also stopped me breathing for a while I was retching. So then I got a deep breath, which felt like an authentic breath as opposed to one that's forced. You can't do anything, it's just paralyzing fear. I was resigned that this is life, but I can escape it when I go drinking. So I can put up with it for the lovely feeling then of escape at the weekend where I don't have to count my breaths.
Hey, tír go súil éireann, tá cinál norm sóisialta an go núsáid an daoine alcohol chun dearráil le mothachán nó le dearráil le fáibaní an síl. Úsáid an daoine é bheith mar cinál self-medicating. Ach ní fáin sé sin go dtí préomhacha an fáib agus is réitiú cinál sealadach é.
Do you think there's an alcohol problem in Ireland?
Sure, there are no alcoholics in Ireland. There never was. There's no problem with alcohols at all.
But what about Tom up the road there?
Tom likes a pint or two, that's about it. He likes a pint or two, he's fond of the drink, he's a devil for the drink, and he's a character, and that's it.
So none of them are alcoholics?
No.
None of them are problems?
No.